Hey, what's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I want to show you exactly how I went from zero to over $195 a day on ClickBank with this brand new product that I started promoting yesterday. Here you can see some of my results on my first day on how I generated over $195 on ClickBank. And the best part is all of this is net profit because I didn't spend a single cent on ads. I haven't been using paid traffic. All of this is free organic traffic. And not only I've been getting some epic sales from this, I've built an email list of close to over 20,000 people, which I can now start making constant income from the strategy using my email list of 20,000 people. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can build a profitable, real affiliate marketing business in this exclusive strategy and build a massive email list like I've done over here to generate $195 and more every single day in affiliate commissions. This strategy is actually very simple and one of the best strategies that I'm going to be putting on my YouTube channel so far. What I've done is I've created a basic landing page like this, giving away a free YouTube course to people, helping them grow their YouTube channels. From this page, I then upsell them to a tool called Thumbnail Blaster, which is a tool where you can go and create attention-grabbing thumbnails in 3 clicks with an AI artificial intelligence tool. And this tool generates thumbnails that get a click-through rate of 10% and higher, getting you a substantial amount of more views on YouTube. So what's nice about the free giveaway that I'm giving away, it goes hand in hand with the upsell, which is why I've been able to sell this product so effectively in my first day. So I'm looking forward to what's to come for this product and how much I can actually generate from this particular ClickBank product. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go and get started with the strategy that I've been using over here. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here, your No BS South African online entrepreneur and coach, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, what I do best and what I talk most about on my YouTube channel. And I'm going to show you how you can go from zero to $195 in your first day with affiliate revenue commissions with this exact product over here. And the best part is you don't have to use this product. If you already have an existing affiliate product, you can go and apply the exact same strategy. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over to this website over here called idplr.com, which is a free database where we can go and get over 12,590 free ebooks, free softwares, free video programs, free templates, free graphics, and free music over here, which we are allowed to resell, put our own private label rights on, put our own personal rights on. We can give it away. We can resell all of these products. We can do what we like with it because all of the products listed on this website has no copyright, meaning we can do and claim anything that's on this website for our own use. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the search bar of idplr.com and just go and search up YouTube. So on this website, we're going to go and find our freebie and free giveaway, which is going to be the hook to our paid ClickBank product over here. And if I go and search YouTube over here, and you scroll down, you will see there's a YouTube Authority video upgrade over here, which teaches you how to go and build an authority in your niche on YouTube and build an entire brand and grow your audience substantially quicker on YouTube with information in this video course. So you need to go and click on this or go and click on anything that's got to do with YouTube. It really doesn't matter as long as it relates to YouTube. You can go and use that product and you're going to go and click on download over here. You will need to go and sign in with your account. So I'm just going to go and log in with my account to go and download. And once you've signed in, you can go and download this entire zip folder to your PC completely for free. And this website is honestly a gem of a website. It's a gold mine on the internet with tons of resources that we can go and use to make money from. So now that I've downloaded this zip folder, we need to come over to this website called Kartra.com as we quickly need to use some kind of tool to go and put together a landing page where we can go and give away this free video course in exchange for our leads, email, and name, which we're going to be saving in our email subscriber list, which is how I got over 20,000 leads from this type of strategy. So I'm going to go and log in with my existing account over here. If you want to try out Kartra on the free trial, which lasts for about 30 days and you get access to all the premium tools, I'll leave a link down below in the description. Once you've signed in, your dashboard is going to look like this. And I've already created the landing page template for you guys in today's video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and open this up in the edit tab over here. So I'm going to show you how to go and edit this page. It's really easy. It takes a couple of minutes literally by just dragging and dropping the right text and images onto this page. So you want to come over to plus new page at the bottom right over here, and you will see Kartra will give you a whole bunch of different templates. you want to go and choose Squeeze Pages over here, and you can go and use any one of these templates. It really doesn't matter. Choose one that you like and that you think is the best looking. This is the exact template I chose over here, this white and blue theme over here, and I changed it to look like this. I'm just going to go and open it up in the page editor. So I'm going to show you how we can go and edit it, because it's super important to know that. On your homepage, you just want to go and type the following: YouTube channel income accelerator, building an online empire around YouTube, 95%, 100% discount, completely free in the next 30 minutes. So over here, you'll see, I know I've got a add to cart button, but I'm just going to go and delete this. You want to go and make this completely free. So I'm just going to go and double click on the text and type over here, $0 special ends in 20 minutes. I'm going to go and click on the add to cart button. And instead of having add to cart, I'm going to go and type here, download. And then we can go and change our icon over here to download, and we can click on apply. So the button now says download. We can go and delete this Visa and PayPal gift card. We want to go and click on this button over here. We want to click on link. We want to click on pop in an opt-in form. And this opt-in form is where the magic happens in building our email list. So we can go and drag any one of these templates over here. Let's use this one, for example. It really doesn't matter. And we're going to go and type here, enter your email below to receive your free download. We can go and type here as the title, YouTube Accelerator download. And we can go and delete this text over here. And we can delete this subtext as well. Now we just want to go and click on this form over here, go and click on pen, as we need to create a form or select a form where people can be saved to our email list. So you can go and create a completely new opt-in form over here. I'm just going to go and choose one that I've created, a generic one that I usually keep, the Video Marketing Blaster one. Click on apply over here, and you'll see it will give you a first name and email address tab over here. If you haven't got a form, you can just go and click on create a new opt-in form over here. So now when people go and enter their first name and email address and click on download, let me just change this button link over here. Send to my email. We can click on apply. They will receive the download link via email to this YouTube Accelerator tool. So now our homepage is completely done over here. So what we want to do is we want to click on edit pen again of the download button, click on link. Now on this form, we need to configure when they click send to my email that it takes them to the next page. So in order to go and do that, come back to your Kartra dashboard, go and look for the new form that you've created. In my case, it is, I know I've got a lot of them, but I promote a lot of products through Kartra.com. Here, the Video Marketing Blaster, click on edit of the form you've just created, click on edit again, and it will allow us to configure what pages it will take our leads to next. So we can go and click on save and next over here. And for the success page, you want to click on change, and you want to come over to clickbank.com. And if you go and search Thumbnail Blaster on ClickBank, the product will be over here. So what I really like about this affiliate product, you are going to get $57 per sale that you make and $13 every month in reoccurring commission. So it's paying a monthly passive income as well, which is the path to true passive income when it comes to affiliate marketing. So I'm going to go and generate my new hop link over here, copy my hop link, come back to Kartra.com and paste this as my success page. So when people on this landing page over here enter their name and email, the email with the download link will get sent to the email, and then it will take them through your affiliate link to thumbnailblaster.com, where your leads can go and watch a free webinar or a free training of this tool. And if they decide to purchase it, they can go and click on get started over here and check out with this tool, and you're going to get over $50 commission and $13 every month in reoccurring commissions. So now that this is done, we want to come back to just go and save your form. Just make sure everything is saved. Under the automations tab, make sure you've got subscribe to lists enabled, and click on yes, and go and select a list if you've got one already, or go and create a new list over here. Go and click on save, and when that's done, you can click on save and next and save everything over here. So now we can come back to my pages, and our page is now ready to go and generate affiliate commissions for us. That's going to lead us to the next platform, where we're going to go and get traffic and sales to our landing page that we've just created. Come over to YouTube Growth Groups on Facebook.com. And I know most people think when they see Facebook groups we're going to spam, we're just going to go and post random posts, reply to people's comments, and people actually never end up buying your product. But there are a very few ways that you can actually go and use these Facebook groups in an organic way to really get a lot of these people to convert into sales, which is what I've been doing a lot recently. You would see on my latest couple of videos, I've been talking about Facebook quite a bit, and that's because I've been getting the most success from it. And what I look for when it comes to YouTube growth groups over here on Facebook, I have a look at how many members are in the groups and how many active posts they are getting every single day. So you'll see this group over here has 54,000 members and is getting 10 posts a day. This group has 76,000 members and getting 10 posts a day. This group over here has 323k members, is getting 2 posts a week. So let's go and have a look at this group over here with 76 members and 10 posts a day, which tells me it's a very active group. And all you want to go and do is you want to go and type something very simple. Hey guys, I just came across this YouTube Accelerator program on this page over here, which was giving it away completely for free. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be trying it out through the week and I'll keep you guys updated on the process. So firstly, what really goes well with a post like this is you're not spamming anything. You're not just pasting your link and replying to random comments where people just ignore it. And secondly, we are giving away something for free. You'll see if you go throughout this group over here. Let me just go and save this post. Most people are trying to just promote their YouTube channel, for example, sub to sub, asking people to subscribe, which no one really interacts with. But if you go and post something like this, giving away something for free, you also just want to quickly go and copy the link to your landing page and make sure that you post this over here. Just like that. And a lot of people tend to reply to a post like this, leave likes, especially because you're giving away something for free. And the natural engagement that comes from a post like this automatically bumps your post to the top of the group so that more and more people see it. You'll see other people that are just spamming their channels and spamming these sub to sub or sub for sub posts just fall down below in the group and don't end up getting seen. Whereas a post like this stays at the top most of the time. And to go and scale at this, I recommend go and replicate this post on a couple of other groups as well. If you come back over here to the groups page, you'll see there's lots of other active groups over here. You can click on see all, and there are hundreds of groups that you can go and choose from to go and give away this free program, which will then naturally do all the upselling and the sales and the conversion for you. Because remember, this entire affiliate funnel is complete for you. The checkout systems is done. All it is it's connected to your ClickBank account where the commissions are sent there. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with ClickBank affiliate marketing, creating your own landing pages. I'm going to leave 2 playlists on the screen over here. So these playlists contain information that I've learned from thousands of dollars of courses over the years, all in one simple playlist for you guys completely for free on YouTube. So the one playlist is going to be all about affiliate marketing, learning about different traffic methods, Facebook, Google ads, Bing ads, CPA marketing strategies, Instagram strategies, TikTok strategies. And this playlist over here is specifically going to focus on Kartra.com, which will go over how to create your own funnels, email campaigns, landing pages, membership areas, how to use the landing page editors, your own email sequences and email automation campaigns, which goes over all the necessary tools that an affiliate marketer needs. So what I recommend is to go and scale at this big time is choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.